It is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting 1688 shopping app. In this tutorial, I will show you on how to find or like an item for future purchase. For instance, when you are trying to source for an item on 1688 and you saw a particular item, but maybe your funding balance is not up to the purchasing price of the item and you don't want to lose the link. And as a result of that, it is mostly advisable for you to like the item, and when you like the item, you can make the purchase later. And in this video, I will show you step by step on how to like the item and how you can find the like item in order to make a purchase when you are fully ready to make a purchase of that particular item on 1688. This is one of the great features that save you from losing an item when you are trying to source for an item on 1688. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or pinduoduo or IDFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to source for your product from any Chinese e-commerce platform, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China without any stress. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to find likes and how to like products on 1688. The very first thing I'm going to do is to open up my 1688 shopping app right here. So just like so, I will open up your 1688 shopping app. Let's say for instance, I like this particular bag right here, but I'm not going to make a purchase right now. What we need to do is to simply open up the product link, and it's going to load up just like so. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on here to proceed to the products page. That's going to take us right here. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on here. Now we have liked this particular product. Now let's see how we can find our like product. So what you need to do is to simply exit from the products page. It's going to take you to the home page right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon from the bottom right here. It takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. And you have the product back. From here, you can simply add the product to cart and start making your purchase. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to like and how you can find like items on 1688 shopping app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give the like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.